Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, let me introduce myself. I am Mamta and today I'll be showing you a South Indian dish which is rasam. Normally if you go to a restaurant you might see that the rasam is really watery, but this rasam is different, that it has dal in it, so it is not only tasty but nutritious too. I am making the variety which has been taught to me by my grandmother and mother, which is the Mysore Rasam. It can be served with white rice or as an accompaniment to idli and dosa. So let's start with the recipe. So the first step to make rasam is we have to cook the dal. So I have taken 1/3 cup tuar dal. So we'll wash this first. So we'll wash it with some water. And we'll drain the water out. And now we'll cook the dal. I am putting 1 cup water. One small tomato cut. About 1.5 teaspoons rasam powder. Some turmeric powder, about 1/4 teaspoon. On the gas, and now we'll mix this ingredients which I put into the dal. So I'll put this in the cooker. So we'll put on the lid and we'll cook the dal. We'll have to give at least 3 whistles. 3 whistles are done, so we'll switch off the gas and wait for the cooker to cool down. Now the cooker is cooled down, so I'll remove the whistle. And now, so we'll put this on the gas. I'll switch on the gas again. And now the most important part of the rasam, we are going to add the tamarind water. So I've already soaked the tamarind and extracted the juice. So I'll just add this tamarind. We'll add some salt and curry leaves. It'll give this rasam a really good aroma. The tanginess of the tomatoes and the tamarind which we have added, I'm adding some jaggery. We'll stir it and simmer it for 4-5 minutes. I'm going to add some fresh coriander leaves for a nice aroma. And stirring it, and then we'll boil it just for a minute or so, because we want the freshness of the coriander. So I'm switching off the gas now. It's almost done. Now comes the tempering. So now for the tempering, I'll switch on the gas. I'm going to give a tempering of ghee, which will give a very good taste. So I'm adding 1 spoon ghee. So I have lowered the flame now and I am adding 1 spoon mustard seeds. We'll wait for it to crackle. The mustard seeds have started crackling. So we'll switch off the gas and add about 1/4 teaspoon hing, that is asafoetida. So let's mix the tempering. And we'll just not waste any of it. We'll just put the whole thing. We mix it and our rasam is ready. It's smelling so good. So the tamarind and the asafoetida which I've added all aids in the digestion of dal, which is a little difficult to digest. So let's serve it with some appam. So friends, do try this recipe and let me know how it goes. And if you've liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.